beginning the drywall process, mark into the wall with a utility knife from the factory edge to determine where you're going to make your cut. Use a T-square to make sure it is parallel to the factory edge. Here is Isabel demonstrating this technique. Watch as Isabel splits from the backside. Whap! Now that we're split, we cut from the backside. Cut, 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 cut. Done. Oh, done. Smile when done. Make sure to place your drywall onto the wall, factory edge faced in, so your factory edges are touching. How nice. Smile. Now we're going to use a drywall drill gun with screws. Drywall screws. So many. They're magnetic too. How nice. Not impressed. When using this drill, you must use more pressure and less trigger. Pressure greater than trigger. Otherwise, you make a loud noise that everybody in the education building can hear. Make sure you hit the stud when using this drill. Otherwise, taking it out can be a pain. Smile. Make sure you get all 4 corners down in your drywall first. Makes your job way easier. Oh, yes. Smile. We put the screws on the other side to mirror the screws on the original side. Finished product. Ta-da! Look at those screws, 6 inches apart. Nice. Very nice. Nice. So many screws. Now, we must tighten up the screws to ensure that they're below the surface of the drywall. Tighten, 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 tighten. Oh, so much strength in those arms. Look, no noise. Smile. Oh no, a big hole. Thank God we have the tools to fix it. First, we're going to use a framing square and let go around 2 inches of the hole to ensure we get all the iceberg. We only see the tip now. Below, it's much bigger. 2 inches, 2 inches. Cut, 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 cut. This is the jab saw. It jabs the drywall to bits. See ya the week. New hole. Boom. Big. Now we're going to use the nice saw here to cut wood to put behind the drywall. We want the wood to be 2 inches in and 2 inches up on both sides. Take 2, because you need 2 pieces. Oh, nice. So you see 2 inches there, and there's 2 inches in behind on the width and the height. To complete the process properly, we're just going to mark 2 inches in from the top and 2 inches in from the middle. Fortunately, it's 4 inches width of wood, so it's really just the middle. Now we will draw lines down the middle of the wood for reference when placing the wood under the drywall. As you can see, with these lines it's very easy to just slip it in under the drywall. Boom! 2 pieces of wood. Now we're going to lay our new square piece of drywall on top of the wood. Perfect fit. First attempt. We must be great. Finished product without the plaster. Actually, scratch that. We forgot our tape. You must put drywall tape down the seam, on the inside, and you must also put it on this new hole that you replaced. Make sure you do never overlap tape. Nice. Make sure to cut on the inside of your new square on 45-degree angles to ensure you have room to push the plaster in. Now time for the Messiah of Skilled Trades, Gonzo Bennett.
You want to mix your plaster, because it's coming out of the box as you sit there. Make sure,
It's like making gelato.
and then scrape your drywall clean. Okay?
Yeah.
Screw heads, a little bit of plaster, and I'll demo on this one. Force it in, scrape it off. Force it in, scrape it off.
Time for us to plaster. Nice. Gonzo is better, yeah. He is. Smile. The next day, you must make sure you scrape off all excess plaster from the drywall before you apply your next layer so you don't have bumps. Make sure you put one consistent layer over your hole so that it's not a bump and a bump. It's just one big bump, not a bump and a bump. The next day will show a better technique to fix this. Make sure you also push plaster down between the factory edges. When doing this, however, on a 45-degree angle, we do not want to bring up the tape, so apply pressure appropriately. Oh, this is the next day stuff I was just talking about. Plaster over the big hole with the big trowel to ensure one consistent layer over the top of it.